Hi everyone, this is Avi Woolman and it's time for another housing market update in Charlotte, North Carolina. Before that, I want to just say that I recently joined Engel and Volkos, which is an international brand for real estate. It's high-end, it's luxury, and also we are very good with investment properties, whether it's residential or commercial. Recently, I have a lot of requests and people are looking to invest in North Carolina and in Charlotte specifically. And I wanted to explain why there's such a big demand to invest in North Carolina in real estate, whether it's residential or commercial. There are three important parameters that people are looking for when they're looking where to invest in real estate. The three things are migration, employment, and rental to purchase price ratio. So in Charlotte, North Carolina, the migration, I think when I read last, it was about 50,000 people that came here in 1 year. That last year here, it's about 150 people per day or 140 people per day that moved into Charlotte, which means that factor is very good here for investors. The city is growing. Employment is also very good in North Carolina and in Charlotte specifically. And the way to look at it is usually investors are looking at where are those 500 Fortune companies or Fortune 500 companies are located. And in North Carolina, we have 13 500 Fortune 500 companies, and in Charlotte, it's about 7 of them. So that brings a lot of jobs into the city. And when you are investing in rental property, you want your tenants to have stability with work and everything. So that's a good sign when you have that many of banking and 500 Fortune companies in the city. Unemployment rate is low here. And the third thing here, it's still the ratio between rent and purchase price is very good for investments. So we get a lot of requests and the inventory is very low. It's very hard to find a good rental property or a multifamily. We get so many requests for multifamilies in North Carolina right now because it's just a good place to invest and the cash flow is positive and it's good investment in general. So let's go back to Charlotte housing market update. I will talk about the numbers of this week it's not this week, it's the week ending in January 2nd compared to that same week last year. So we have 559 new listings. That's a 14% decrease, so less new listing right now. Okay. We have 50% decrease in inventory. It's about 4,300 homes for sale right now available. Actually, not all of them are available, 646 of them, so about 14% of them are under contract, so they're pending, and that is an increase of 1%, 2%. So we're seeing that inventory is very, very low, and we know that that is not a surprise for anyone. So far this year, there were 289 homes that were sold. And that's just in the last few weeks. The median home price, the average median home price is $291,000, which is an increase of 10%, and that's a huge appreciation in just 1 year. We know that Charlotte, with the pandemic, grew a lot in terms of home prices. Demand is high and inventory is low, so that's just a basic law of economics. And so prices are going up, which is also a good thing that people that want to invest in properties are looking at. And then in terms of days on the market, which is the amount of time between listing your home till you get your first offer that is accepted, is 26 days right now. That's the average days on the market, and that's 42% lower than the same week last year. When we are looking at month supply, it's the lowest I've ever seen it, and we thought a couple of months ago was the lowest we've ever seen it. So it's decreasing a lot. Right now it's 0.9%, which is 55% lower than the same time last year. So basically we have a big problem with inventory. There's just not enough inventory. Hopefully when the vaccine comes out, homeowners will be more comfortable to take their home and sell their home. So right now inventory is low, and that's pretty good. It's very good for builders. Home builders right now are, the prices are up and they're building like crazy, and even the new construction homes are selling very quickly right now. I think I read that last year there were 13,000 new homes that were built in Charlotte. That's a lot, and it's only going to increase this year in 2021. So we have seen that 2020 was a good year for real estate. It was pretty amazing. Homes were sold 10% higher than the year before, and about 40% faster. So thank you so much for listening. My name is Avi. Again, if you have any questions, you can call me, text me, message me, 704-497-5917. Thank you. Have a good day.